Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Home improvement projects demand versatility, safety, and efficiency from essential equipment used indoors and outdoors. Best multi-position ladder solutions adapt to multiple tasks, saving space while delivering professional-grade stability and performance for homeowners, contractors, and renovation enthusiasts everywhere today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Soctone Telescoping Ladder. The Soctone Telescoping Ladder is designed for users who prioritize stability, safety, and everyday convenience in a compact multi-position solution. One of its standout advantages is the upgraded stabilizer system, which includes 2 newly added stabilizer bars that significantly widen ground contact and improve overall stability by up to 36% compared to similar ladders. This makes it especially suitable for uneven surfaces or outdoor tasks. The removable tool tray is a practical addition, allowing users to keep frequently used tools, such as screwdrivers, paint containers, or fasteners within easy reach, reducing unnecessary climbing and improving efficiency. Safety is a core focus of this ladder, with a well-engineered hinge lock and solid J-lock system that securely holds positions in place and prevents unexpected movement. Each section retracts smoothly and slowly, minimizing the risk of pinched fingers. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the ladder resists corrosion, wear, temperature extremes, and aging, making it a dependable long-term investment. With a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, the Soctone Telescoping Ladder is well-suited for home maintenance, repairs, and light professional use, where portability and reliability matter. Number 2. Little Giant 330 pounds Ladder. The Little Giant 330 pounds ladder, known as the Dark Horse, is a premium multi-position ladder built for demanding tasks and professional environments. Its defining strength lies in its exceptional versatility, as it easily converts into multiple configurations, including A-frame, extension, staircase, 90-degree, and trestle and plank setups. This flexibility allows one ladder to handle a wide range of jobs without requiring multiple tools. Constructed from Little Giant's signature non-conductive high-vis green fiberglass, it is ideal for electrical work, while also providing high visibility on busy job sites. The wide flared base significantly enhances side-to-side stability, increasing user confidence when working at height. Safety and compliance are central to its design, as the ladder meets or exceeds OSHA and ANSI standards and carries a Type A rating. While rated to support up to 300 pounds, its robust construction delivers the durability expected from a professional-grade ladder. Overall, the Little Giant Dark Horse is an excellent choice for contractors, electricians, and serious DIY users who need maximum adaptability, safety assurance, and long-term performance from a single ladder system.
Number 3. LEVELEVE 22-foot ladder. The LEVELEVE 22-foot ladder is a heavy-duty, multifunctional ladder engineered for users who need extended reach without sacrificing safety or portability. Built from premium industrial-grade aluminum alloy, it features tubes up to 2 millimeters thick, substantially thicker than many competing ladders, along with an anti-oxidation treatment that enhances durability and lifespan. Safety is reinforced through W-shaped non-slip steps, thickened joints, and a robust support structure that includes 2 anti-slip balance rods and 8 total support points. Despite its ability to extend up to 20 feet, the ladder remains relatively lightweight at just 38 pounds, making it manageable for transport and setup. Thoughtful design details such as polished metal edges reduce the risk of cuts, while high-strength plastic components improve overall usability. The inclusion of rollers on the support rods further simplifies carrying and repositioning. Its true strength lies in versatility, as it can be configured into a step ladder, A-frame, telescopic ladder, right-angle ladder, or scaffold. Number 4. XinSunho 330 pounds ladder. The XinSunho 330 pounds ladder is a compact yet highly functional step ladder designed primarily for household and light professional use. Its 4-step configuration offers a stable working height while maintaining a slim, space-saving profile when folded. Weighing only 12.5 pounds, it is easy to carry, store, and reposition around the home. A standout feature is the retractable hand grip, which can be extended for additional support or folded away to save space without affecting ladder height. The included safety belt helps prevent accidental movement of the hand grip during use. Each step is designed with widened anti-slip pedals to enhance footing and reduce fatigue during extended tasks.
The ladder space is fitted with PVC protective padding that not only improves grip, but also protects flooring from scratches and damage. Constructed from thick, high-strength aluminum tubing with reinforced aluminum alloy connection points, the XinSunho ladder delivers reliable stability and durability. With a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, it is well suited for cleaning, painting, kitchen access, and general household maintenance where safety and convenience are essential.
Number 5. WDOT 22-foot ladder. The WDOT 22-foot ladder is a robust, all-aluminum multi-position ladder designed to handle a wide variety of home and outdoor tasks with a strong emphasis on safety and durability. Its aluminum construction features a 2 mm thickness, more than double than that of many standard ladders, providing a solid and secure feel even at extended heights. The oxidized finish enhances resistance to wear and environmental exposure, making it suitable for long-term use. Stability is significantly improved through the inclusion of 2 anti-slip balance rods, a slope-optimized design, and mesh-style rubber non-slip pads. These soft yet durable pads increase friction on contact surfaces while protecting floors and walls from damage. Choosing the right ladder simplifies every task, from routine maintenance to demanding renovation work. A well-built, multi-position design enhances safety, flexibility, and convenience while reducing storage needs. Invest in a reliable option to work confidently, efficiently, and comfortably on every project.